Hello, welcome back to my channel and I'm your Nimishadavis. So in this video we are going to learn or understand, we are going to find out how to get Coursera courses for free. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. And here in my playlist you can see a lot of courses for free. Just check that too. Okay, fine. So this is Coursera.org website, and here just search for the course that you want. Like for example, IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This one. So this is the IBM AI Engineering Certificate. 1 second. IBM AI Engineer. I'm sorry, IBM. Okay, just take this one. So IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. When you click Enroll button here, wait, I think my net is slow है क्या? नहीं क्या? Okay. When you click the Enroll button, you have to pay this much money, right? For 1 month, it costs 4,000 something, or for 6 months, it costs 2,000 something per month. Okay, so you don't have to do that. So just close this and just go down below to the courses section. Here you can see what all the courses that you are going to learn in this certificate. Okay. For example, machine learning with Python. Okay, just right click it, open link in new tab, go here. Okay, I already enrolled that. Wait, let me take another course. For example, Gen AI. Right click, open link in new tab. Here you can see enroll for free option. Just click that. Wait. Okay, right. Just click this one and you will get a pop-up which contain all the courses of the IBM engineering. I think site is slow. Wait. Okay. So here this is the course that we are going to take, right? So it's got bold in format. Just click next. And here if you want a certification, you can go with the payment option. Otherwise, if you want to learn this thing, just click the audit the course. Okay, then you can get all the contents, all the documents, not documents, all the materials for free here. You can watch the complete course for free. So you can do one thing. If you want certificate, first just complete all the courses. Okay, just audit all the courses like this. You can watch the complete videos. So if you want get IBM AI engineering certificate, you have to do like this. Just watch all the courses by auditing the courses. Okay, after that, after completing every courses, but if you are auditing the courses, there is one disadvantage is that you can't able to do the quizzes. I mean real time exams hai na, so you can't able to do that in while auditing the course. You have to enroll for that. So after completing all the courses, watching the videos, after studying everything, just click the enroll button and you can purchase it for 1 month. Okay, 1 month you will get 20 plus hours a week. Yeah, total 30 days. So in this 30 days you can complete all the quizzes, all the assignments, and you can submit it and you can get certificate within 1 month, right? So you can do like this. So it's very effective, cost effective now. So if you are purchasing this course for 6 months, it will total 12,395. So if you audit the courses completely for free, after that, if you want a certificate, you can just purchase it for 1 month. So simple 4,131 rupees only. Okay. So you have to do like this. Just go to the course that you want and scroll down below. You can see a lot of courses in the certificate, right? So just right click on that, then click on enroll for free, and here you get an option to audit the course. Okay, click next. Here you get the option to audit the course. I hope you understood how to access Coursera courses for free. Fine. Thank you. Have a nice day.